Alright guys, I'm back here with a new video, and as you can see I finally mounted the legs. They work correctly. The biggest issue that I'm finding is that oftentimes the screws and the nuts start coming undone a little bit and it gets wobbly. But as you can see, I mounted it correctly with the screws on the outside here. So that makes it easier to assemble and disassemble. And when these things were in the middle there, you couldn't get your screwdriver in there. So I took care of all of that. Now I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see the back. And hopefully if you guys are following along, you should still be able to do all this. It is a little bit tricky, as I said, to get all these screws in here. And now I'm going to move on to the shoulders of the robot, which are here. And as you can see, I've had to remove here the servo, and if you see on the other side, the servo is in there. But this time I put the servo in after the rest of that part of the shoulder was assembled correctly. And again, as you can see here, this part here was attached, because otherwise, once you put the servos in here, if you don't have all this connected properly, and you see these things do come undone, then you can't go back and fix it later because the servo is in the way and you can't get to the screws. Anyway, hope this helps you guys, and I'll show you what happens next in the next video, where I attach the servos on here, and I'll put the second servo in there, and then we'll start attaching the little pincers or hands, robot hands. Alright, so see you in the next video.